Oh fuck.
Yeah, and besides, Silver Tank,
What?
Oh, bro just got removed.
What?
Bro was talking and bro just gets removed.
Oh, wow.
Oh, and he's back. Oh, and he's gone again.
dude, stop trying to copy.
And he's gone.
Oh, wow.
Stop, bro.
And he's gone.
Bro, stop trying.
And he's gone. Oh my god.
Dude, chill.
Poor Blaze.
Stop.
Oh my god. And he's gone.
Bro,
And
stop.
he's back. And he's gone.
Dude, it's not.
And he's gone.
I became
Stop.
I became merchandise.
But stop.
Oh my god.
Crash it out, bro. That's crazy. Couldn't be me.
Oh my god, bro. Poor Blaze.
Dude.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm leaving. Goodbye now.
That's not.
I'm leaving. Goodbye now.
That's not funny.
Oh my god. Poor guy.
Oh, God.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
I am having a laughing stroke right now.
Skibidi Toilet. Oh wait, shit.
No,
Just chill. Let's start with the
no,
one.
Skibidi Toilet.
Dude, that's enough.
I don't feel bad for you, Blaze.
What the fuck?
Dude, stop.
Blaze, I don't feel bad for you.
I think he's had enough. I think he's had enough.
Please stop.
I think he's had enough.
More.
Dude,
Punish
stop.
him. Punish.
Dude,
I think he's had enough.
I swear to.
Oh my god.
Stop race.
Oh my god.
Stop it.
Oh my god.
Dude.
Hey, I'm having a laughing stroke because bro. is
I think he's had
tortured.
enough. I think he's had enough.
Oh my god, this is making me laugh so hard.
He's had
This is
enough.
getting tortured, man.
At this point, just leave. Like,
And he's gone.
Please stop
And-
it.
Daddy's back.
Oh, and he muted himself.
Okay, then.
Okay, I think bro's okay now. You know what, Blaze? I don't feel bad for you.
Why
You
you
got
don't?
punished for no reason. And that was funny.
Who changed
I'm
my name
currently-
to
And he's gone.
I'm currently using a 2010.
Stop removing, bro.
Oh no, here we go again.
Oh,
I am
Oh
golden.
my god.
Stop.
Here we go again.
stop. Dude, stop it now, bro.
Dude is going to become a jet turbo.
Yo,
thingy.
if you don't stop now,
He's going to
then-
rage so hard
then-
he will become a jet turbo thingy. This is so funny.
and Silver Tank left.
Wait, guys, let's all calm down. I need to tell y'all a serious question.
What?
Which ship is better,